For less downtime when rebuilding or replacing your axle, ask your dealer about a complete replacement. Complete exchange axle replacements are available for Cat 988 and 992 wheel loaders. A complete exchange axle replacement takes about 8 to 10 hours and can be done off-shift to reduce downtime. This is a new Cat dealer offering that lowers the 100 hours of downtime needed for a strip and quote replacement. This means you benefit from an 85% downtime reduction when you choose a complete exchange axle replacement. All Cat complete exchange axles are built with genuine Cat parts. Competitors may install used components that don't meet Caterpillar's reuse guidelines. This can result in reduced life and higher chance of premature failure. On the other hand, Cat dealers offer the latest parts upgrades. These axles are built to Cat requirements. They have improved contamination control because the axles are fully assembled prior to field installation. The final drives, brakes, and differential are rebuilt together at the same time. When it's time to exchange your axle, turn to your local Cat dealer. They can help you with the latest product upgrades and genuine Cat parts.